Hello everyone, you're all welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. And if this is your first time of coming in contact with my face, you're highly welcome. My name is Brother Chima Prince Matter, and I am a spiritualist. On this channel, I share spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you, draw you closer to God, teaching you how to pray rightly, and also increasing your faith, increasing your spiritual life, and making things to work for you perfectly. If you believe your faith is highly needed, I use natural ingredients created by God to show you how they are being used spiritually to solve your spiritual problem. So, if you are just joining us for the very first time, you need to become a bona fide member of this channel by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I upload a video like this, you will be notified. Like the title said, nobody will stop your progress if you do this with sand. Yes, most people are always afraid of their downfall because we are in a wicked world. You can believe of that. And if you are a spiritual person, you will know and you will understand that the world that we are into now is a very wicked world. But if you do this, nobody will be able to stop your progress. A lot of people are always afraid because of the evil ones, because we are living in a wicked world and evil is increasing day by day. But by the grace of God, it will not be your portion. People are always afraid if they start making it in life because of evil eyes and they don't want to fall down. But if you make use of this, the way it is directed, anything about falling as you are progressing, you will not even see it in your life. So today, we have to make use of sound. Sound means Mother Earth. You know, every human being on earth walk on sand. The plant grow on sand. Animals walk on sand. Even those enemies that are planning against you, they walk on sand. Those that go to native doctors, Babalawo, Hindus to work against you, they walk on sand. So get sand, okay? If you desire success, if you desire good thing, you can get anything you want from sand. Yes. But today's video is particularly to stop evil. Whoever that walks on sand, that want to stop your progress, that want to stop your destiny from shining, or whosoever that walks on the sand and say that your destiny will never manifest, the person is a liar. Use this sand the right way. No evil will come to your way. So get sand outside your compound, and also you get a salt. Yes, because salt is highly spiritual. When I'm talking about salt, I'm talking about the sea salt here. Sea salt is highly spiritual. It cleans our mind, our body, and our souls, physically and spiritually. So if you are here, you want to keep progressing. You don't want any setback, as God has placed you on a higher ground to deliver your family, to walk from grass to grace, and you are afraid of people bringing you down. You are afraid of those evil uncles in the village, of those enemies who does not want your progress. By doing this, I assure you, nobody will stop you from progressing. You see, but whatsoever you have made in this year 2022, you are going to continue progressing in 2023 if you do this with your faith, because faith cometh by hearing, and by hearing the word of God. And don't forget, on this channel we only share spiritual tips and spiritual recipes using natural materials that God has created in order to solve our spiritual problem, and praying and drawing us closer to God, because without holiness no eyes can see God. Remember, he said, if there is a mouth to pray, there is a God to answer. Yes, nobody will stop you from progressing in 2023 if you combine these natural materials that God has created, the earth and salt. Every human being on earth tastes salt. Yes, every human being on earth eats salt. And every human being on earth walk under the soil, under the sand of the earth. Even the animal, they walk under the soil, under the sand of the earth. Even the plant, they grow under the soil, under the sand of the earth. So we are going to be using Mother Earth and the salt, because salt possesses a lot of spiritual powers and energies for cleansing. Yes, emotionally, physically, spiritually. And how are we going to use these two materials in order to remain on top, in order to continue progressing in 2023? Hold on, don't touch that dime. For those of you who are just seeing my face for the very first time, once again, my name is Brother Chima Prince Mata, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual remedies, using the power of God and the power of the universe in order to manifest our spiritual work and to draw you closer to God and to pray. And if you pray with all your faith and do the spiritual works on here with natural material that God has given to us, you are going to receive an answer. Yes. And on this channel, we have our spiritual materials that are fully charged by me for sale. So don't hesitate to call on me, as my number still remains +234 7088136610. That is my number. In order not to waste much of your time, let us go straight to the point on how you can use sound and salt to put your enemies behind you in order for you to continue progressing. Nobody will stop you from progressing, not even any utterances, not even any incantation. If you use this material, two materials that God has created, that possesses a lot of spiritual energies and powers and manifestation, when we use it in our spiritual world, first and foremost, you need to bring the sand of the earth. You put it in your left hand. This is my sand. You put this in your left hand. Then you pour it at the right hand side. You begin to pray. Oh God, my Father, he that created heaven and earth, he that made the day and made the night, he that has given me the grace to progress. Today, I call upon the Mother Earth. I call upon my ancestors, those that has passed astray, I call upon my forefathers. I call upon the universe. And I begin to proclaim on the mother earth that no man that is born of a woman that will stop me from progressing, that will bring me down, even as I am crossing over to the year 2023. Any power from my foundation, any power from my paternal side, any power from the environment where I live that will stop me from progressing. Today, as I use this sand, human beings walk upon the earth, trees grow upon the earth, spirit walk upon the earth. Whosoever that want to undo me, whosoever that want to bring me down, may the mother earth bring that person down. After you have prayed that, the sand will be on your right hand side, and you bring the sea salt and pour a little of it. Why I normally recognize sea salt is because it's more powerful. So you still make the same prayers. How are you going to be praying? Tell God, oh God in heaven, pardon my iniquities because I am a sinner. Cleanse every evil that I have done because I am a sinner. That as I use this salt and sand, Father, forgive me. Let every evil thing that any enemy has planned to get out of my life so that I can be progressing. From henceforth, no man will put me down. Then you mix the sand and the salt together. After mixing it together, you pray. If there is anything you are passing through, tell God that in this sham that I see today, I shall see it no more. That thing that is making you to have sleepless night, that thing that is making you to cry, tell God to come and remove it out of your life. Tell God that whoever that will go out to plan evil against you in this year 2023, that you come against them, that you set yourself free, that you set your family free, that you set your business free. Pray and tell God, ask God what you want God to do. Tell God to remove every hindrance, any delay, any disappointment as you go forward in life, as you find out your goal. There should not be any hindrance, any blockage in your life. Yes, as you have placed the sand and the salt together. Then after praying, you cover the sand with your hand like this and move it. 1, 2, 4, 7. You have to turn it to your head 7 times, and you return the sand back to the earth. You can get the sand in your environment, in your village, in your father's household. Yes. And if you are living on a 3-building story, you have to get down and get a sand and do this assignment. Do this, and by the grace of God, everything will start working for you. Anybody that will want to block your destiny from shining will not succeed. So go ahead and try this. By the grace of God, everything will work perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to share this video to your friends and well-wishers. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. And if there is anything you want me to do for you spiritually, you need me to help you. You have been trying so many YouTubers on their spiritual tips, and your case still remains the same. If there's anything you want me to do for you, you need to call me on the phone, as my number still remains +234 7088 6610. And my number is the number you find on the screen. Thank you for watching me. I remain blessed. See you in my next video. Bye.